It's a doo-doo alert.
Doodle alert. Meet this girl on Hinge and we went out and shared ice cream, and I'm lactose intolerant, but I didn't think it would bother me because I didn't have that much. But later that night in my car, I sneezed and doodled myself. That ride home was awkward. I know I'm getting cooked. Her group chat. Listen, sir, I don't think all is lost. Have you been seeing the stories I've been reading about what people are putting up with? And you do yours by accident. I think you should give her a call. Stay away from the dairy, sir. It destroys your Gucci cat.